Straight towards us. Call. Yeah. There he goes. That's gone. Okay, here comes the other one. Oh, that's going to be wonderful. Jonah, yes, it does. It does. It does. It does. It does. It is getting absolutely amazing. I'm just hoping that this boy now starts calling, as his brother's already called. I think this one's got that funny call. He goes, woo, woo, woo. He's got like a second note behind his main note. He's going to call now. He's called. Just love how they walk. Marvelous. Vicky, one man comedy show. Yep. Yeah, well, I'm just hoping this guy calls for us. It'll be nice. I think he's just hitting. Maybe to the water as well, to his brother. Maybe he's going to send Mark. Yeah, he might send Mark against this tree. Maybe not. Let's see. Yeah, there you go. There you go, leaving his scent behind. Norman, I think at the end of the day, I think it is what's happened here. I think is these guys just got the experience. I think they've got the experience with it, and you know, being 10 years old. Sorry, I'm just trying to see where these guys are going to go. Being 10 years old, they got the experience to know what to do. So, experience. There it is.